Next question. How do you perform backup and restore in Postgres? So basically it is related to backup and recovery or restore. So to perform backup and restore in Postgres, you can use following approach. Backup, you have to use backup pgdump, a command line tool. It create a plain text dump file containing SQL statement to recreate the database objects and data. Using the pg backup database command line tool, it perform physical backup at the file level, creating a copy of database cluster files. So this is the way to take a backup on the database Postgres and restore. So using the pgsql command line tool with a pgdump file created by pgdump, it restore the database objects data existing statement in the dump file. Using the pg restore command line tool with a custom dump file, it perform a flexible restore by selectively restoring a specific database objects and data from a custom format dump file. Choose the appropriate backup and restore method based on your requirements such as data size, backup frequency, and restore flexibility. So this is the way to take a backup and restore in Postgres server. So hope you like it. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.